Manual vs automatic dock levelers. Installation, repair, and choosing the right type. Manual vs automatic dock levelers. Which is right for your loading dock? Learn about installation, repair, and how to choose the best type for your needs. Optimize your loading dock for peak efficiency and safety. This video compares manual vs automatic dock levelers, covering the pros and cons of each type, what to expect during installation and repair, how to choose the best dock leveler for your specific needs, volume, budget, safety. Make an informed decision to improve your loading and unloading operations. Your loading dock is the heart of your operation, and efficient, safe loading and unloading are crucial. But are your dock levelers up to the task, manual or automatic? Which is right for you? Today, we are diving deep into manual vs automatic dock levelers, installation, repair, and choosing the right type. Let's optimize your dock for peak performance. First, let's look at manual dock levelers. These are the tried and true workhorses of the loading dock. Typically mechanically operated, they rely on a simple release mechanism and the weight of the operator to position the leveler. Pros: lower initial cost, simple to operate and maintain, robust and durable, ideal for lower frequencies. Cons: more physically demanding to operate, can be slower for high volume loading, less precise adjustment. Next, the power and precision of automatic dock levelers. These usually employ hydraulic or air-powered systems to raise and lower the platform with the push of a button. Pros: faster and easier to operate, ideal for high volume loading, precise positioning for safety and efficiency, less physically demanding for operators. Cons: higher initial costs, more complex maintenance, require a power source. Both manual and automatic dock levelers require professional installation to ensure safety and proper function. Installation involves securing the leveler to the dock, connecting power for automatics, and calibrating the system. Repair: manual levelers are generally simpler to repair. Automatic systems might require specialized knowledge of hydraulics or pneumatics. Regular maintenance is crucial for both to prevent costly downtime. The best choice depends on your specific needs. Volume: high volume operations benefit greatly from the speed and efficiency of automatic levelers. Budget: manual levelers offer a lower initial investment. Safety: both types can be safe when properly maintained, but automatic